guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, TheLeiaV. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. So you're going to be getting ready with me. This is one of my most favorite videos to make alongside with all of the other content that goes up on my channel. But getting ready with me is something that I like watching when I'm getting ready for something. It's like I have a buddy to get ready with. Oh my god, how many times did I say get ready with me? If you're watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. Thank you so much. If you like what you see and you would like to see more content from me, all you have to do is just click on the subscribe button right down this video. So without any further ado, guys, I really hope you enjoy watching this getting ready with me video, and if you like this look and you like to see more from me, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it just so that you'll be updated whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. Don't forget to share this video on your Facebook and share this on WhatsApp, and I shall catch you in my next video.